Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, my dear.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, please turn on the videos.
Good evening.
Adya, Nishika. Okay, so this Sunday you have your practical geometry, right? I had already told you that you will be having those last 3 exercises this time. Okay, and on the other side, you have your revision test also coming up. Yes, you all got the message? Hmm? Repeatedly, you are getting message of revision test, right? So you must have opted for it. That's a free revision test. Are you planning for that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. Otherwise, also we have to do the revision only. Okay, and I'll be taking your Sunday test also. Along that, you have another test, the revision schedule test.
Chapter will revise.
Yes, beta.
Today, which chapter will revise?
Today we'll take up the first chapter only, which is there in the revision test schedule. Okay. Let's start from the very first chapter, the very beginning. The first chapter is, I think, knowing our numbers, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this Sunday test also, I will take you for the same chapter. Okay. And you have your revision test schedule also, the same chapter is coming there. Okay. Is that okay, no? So your preparation will be the same for both the tests. Right? Let's do. Okay. Any doubts, please go through your practical geometry content. If you have any doubts there, you can ask me. Okay, we have class tomorrow also, so you can ask me. Okay, so I'm moving to the screen. Oh, one second. Okay, we have to do knowing our numbers. Let me check if it is there. Yes, it is there, knowing our numbers. So let's do the revision. Revision classes get started now. Okay, now talking about the numbers, you all know we have natural numbers first. Okay, natural numbers are those which comes naturally to us. Yes, the counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and all. Then when 0 is added to it, it becomes whole number. Okay, and then further you have integers also when you have negative numbers and positive numbers included in that. But that's another concept if you take it in that direction. But here in this chapter, here we will study about the international system, the Indian system of numeration, right? And large numbers are there. So these type of questions, how to make the smallest and the greatest number when you are given some digits. Okay, so let's study about numbers. The very basic thing about the numbers, when you have large numbers, how do you arrange them in order? Okay, then you have estimation. So let's do. Okay, let's take up the exercise part first. Do you have this table? International System of Numeration, Indian System of Numeration. If you don't have, you can note down this. Ones, tens, hundreds. You had, this was given to you earlier also. 1,000, then 10,000, then 100,000. This is as per international system. Okay. If you don't have, then please note down. Then we'll start working on it. Is anyone noting down or shall I scroll up? Okay. Then let's see the exercise here. Fill in the blanks first. Now 1 lakh. So the values are all written here. The 1 lakh is how many 10,000s? Yeah, I must erase it. Yes. Okay. So if you have your chart there, you can see there also how many 10,000s will make 1 lakh.
10, ma'am.
Yes, that's 10,000. Okay. 1 million, how many million, how many hundred thousands will make 1 million?
10.
10. So you're just looking and telling me? Okay, I'll erase it now.
No, ma'am.
Hmm.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So we are just revising it. Then I'll give you some different numbers also. Okay, apart from this. Right. So how many 10 lakhs will give you 1 crore?
10.
10 lakhs. So if you want to see if you can see the Indian system table also, you can refer to that table, okay? Or you can make in front of you, okay? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores, 10 crores and all. Right, and 1 crore is how many millions? How many millions are there?
10.
10 millions. 1 million is
10 lakhs, ma'am.
10 lakhs, right? Okay. Now place commas. Now, 1 second. Place commas correctly and write the numerals. Now please write down for this 73 lakhs 75,307. Please put commas and write the numeral. I'll ask each one of you one by one. Write down for all these numbers. I'll ask each one of you.
What we have to write?
You have to write the numeral for these. This question number 2. This question. Place commas and write the numerals.
Ma'am, all 4 bits.
Yes, yes. For all 4 you have to write.
Sorry, 5.
Yes, yes. This one. Done?
12 lakhs.
Okay. Adya, tell me the first one. Adya, tell me the first one. Yes.
Do I have to read it?
Yes, tell me the numeral. It's 73,75,307.
73
Yes.
73 comma 75 comma 307.
Mhm. Yes. Yes, see.
Ma'am, do I have to read?
Hello.
Ma'am,
Hello.
ma'am,
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. You muted earlier.
No, I have not muted.
ma'am,
Yes, yes, say.
ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Say, beta.
Ma'am, do I have to read the question?
Tell me the numeral only.
Ma'am, 773 comma 75 comma 307.
Comma 307.
7.
Okay. Good. Shreyansh, tell me the next. 9 crore 5 lakh 41.
Yes, ma'am. 9, comma, 0, 5, comma, 0, 0, comma,
Mhm.
0, 4, 1.
041. Good. Next, Nishika. Nishika will tell me. Yes, Nishika. Nishika, Trilokya.
Yes, ma'am.
Trilokya, tell me the next beta.
Yes. 7 comma 52 comma 21 comma 302.
Okay, good. With 7 crore 52 lakhs 21,302. Great. Okay. Next one. Now Nishika is there. No, Nishika cannot hear. Okay, Adya, you tell me the next one. Who else is here? Let me see. Neha is here. Yes, Neha is here. Neha, tell me the fifth one.
Ma'am, the fifth one is 23
Yes,
comma 30 comma 010.
010. Okay, right. Good, beta. Now insert commas suitably and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. Now can you write it reverse order as it was written here in the Indian system of numeration? You don't have to write, you just tell me. Okay, I'll ask each one of you one by one. Shreyansh, tell me the first one.
And first one,
Yes.
yes, sir. 8 crore 75 lakh 95,762.
Okay. 8 crore 75 lakhs 95,762. Okay. Next, Trilokya, tell me the next one.
Ma'am, the B bit or the C bit?
B bit.
C bit, ma'am.
B.
Okay. Ma'am, 85 lakh 46,283.
283, correct. Okay. Neha, next.
Ma'am, 9 crore
Yes.
84 lakh 32,701.
You're saying this one, D bit.
Oh.
Okay. Okay. Okay, beta. Okay. Adya, tell me the C bit.
Okay, ma'am. 9 crores 84 lakhs 32,000.
This one, C bit.
C bit, ma'am. Okay.
Hmm.
9 crores 99 lakhs 406. Sorry, 46.
46. Okay, good. Okay, now let's come to the international system. Yes, insert commas suitably. Write the names according to international system of numeration. This one. Okay, so international system, you know that after every 3 digits you have a comma, right? Okay, so let's begin this. Starting with Trilokya.
Yes, ma'am. 78,921,092.
92. Good. Let's be fast. Okay. Okay. Quickly. These are small exercises. So we'll do it quick, fast. Okay. Shreyansh, next.
7,452,283.
283. Good. Okay. Next, Neha.
Yes, ma'am. 99,985,102.
Good. Adya. Adya, D-bit. Hurry up, Adya.
48,049,831.
Good. Okay. So you all know the international and the Indian system. Now large numbers in practice. Okay. Let's see some more questions here. Oh, where are the questions? Okay, this is now some statement sums are there. A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets, everyone please read the question. Read the question yourself, everyone. Okay, read the question. Now it's saying the book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third, and the final day was, these are the numbers given, okay? Find the total number of tickets sold on all 4 days. So what shall we do here in this? Total number of tickets sold will be,
Ma'am.
we will take do the sum of all the tickets, right? Okay. So, so can you do it quickly in your notebooks with the statements? Yes, these are very simple questions, but only thing is that you need to speed up your work. Okay, speed and accuracy matters here. The questions are very straightforward. Yes, Nishika, you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Please do it in your notebook and write with the statement, because whenever you have a statement question, you should write the statement. So you don't need to write on the first day this many tickets, second day this many tickets. Don't make the statement so long for 4 lines. Okay, just write the total number of tickets sold on all 4 days. Is the total of all this. Okay, let's see the next question. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your total coming?
7,007.
Yes, 7,707. Okay. Now read the next question. Nishika, you read the second question.
Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in a test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need?
So how many more runs does he need? What will you do in this question? Yes, Nishika, what will you do here?
Ma'am, you would subtract his 10,000 runs and then the runs for his test match.
You will do the subtraction, okay? Chalo, please write down now. What will be your first statement, Nishika?
Ma'am, number of runs in the test match.
Number of runs scored in the test match, right? And your second statement?
Number of runs Shekhar wishes to complete.
Yes, number of runs required, okay? And then you will do how many more runs does he need? So that means 10,000 minus 6,980. Please do, children.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, done. Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next is Shreyansh. Shreyansh, read the third question.
In an election, the successful candidates registered 5,77,500 votes, and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win in the election?
Yes, so the two candidates got these many votes, right? So how much the winner has got, how much more votes the winner has got. So again, the same question, same kind of question. What will you do here, Shreyansh?
Subtraction.
Subtract. Please do write down the statement. Okay, by the time Nishika will tell me 1,000 is how many tens, Nishika? Yes, Nishika?
Ma'am, it would be
Yes? 1,000 is how many tens?
ma'am 100.
100. Okay. 1,000 is 100 tens. Okay, now I'll ask Adya. 1 crore is how many lakhs?
Ma'am,
One.
10.
Yes.
Ma'am, 10.
1 crore is 10.
Ma'am, yeah, I'm telling 10.
100.
100, okay.
Okay. Okay. Now I'll ask Trilokya.
Yes.
1 lakh is how many hundreds?
Mm. Ma'am, I get confused in these types of questions.
Okay. See, you must keep your, I've told you, no, the table that I've shown you for the international and Indian system. So please refer to that. Okay. See, this is 1 lakh is how many hundreds? Hundreds is already here. Yes.
I think 1,000.
What happened?
I think 1,000 hundreds are equal to 1 lakh.
1,000 hundreds. Okay. See, lakh has lakh. How do we write 1 lakh? We write it like this.
Yes, ma'am.
1 lakh. Okay. And so this is If you have 100 here, then how much is left here? 1000?
Yes, ma'am.
1000 hundreds, right?
Okay.
So please, for these type of questions, you should refer to the tabular column there, okay? Ones, the place value chart, ones, tens, thousands, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
The international system also and the Indian system also. That's why I asked you in the beginning, that does everyone knows? Okay? So if you have not noted down, please you can note down the table.
Okay.
Okay? Done? Done the third question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the answer for that?
Ma'am, 2,28,800.
Okay, 2,28,800.
I got the same answer.
Yes, beta, you got the same answer. Very good. Okay, so now I'll give you one question now. Let's do this one. Question number 7 now. Please read the question. Trilokya, read the question loudly.
Yes, ma'am. A merchant had rupees 78,592 with her. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at rupees 1,200 each. How much will remain with her after the purchase?
So what is asked in this question? The merchant had this much rupees with her. She placed an order of purchasing 40 radio sets and each radio set is costing 1,200. How much money will remain with her after the purchase? So for 40 radio sets, what will be the total cost?
First we have to multiply 1200 by 40.
Yes. First you will find the total cost of all the radio sets and then you will subtract it. Yes? Is that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please do. Start doing. Then I'll show you international and Indian system. Okay, I'll explain you that once again. As Trilokya has a doubt in that, you didn't tell me first. I asked you. I'll explain it.
I got the answer.
Okay, what is the answer?
Ma'am, 20,592 are left with her, ma'am.
Okay. All got the same answer? Everyone got the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so let's move to the international system. Indian system and international system. Okay, children, let me explain you that first. I didn't do with that because I thought that you know. You told me that you know. Okay. Okay, now see this place value chart. Trilokya, please pay attention, and others also, those who don't know, please pay attention. Right? See, it starts with, this is Indian system, right? Starts with ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores, 10 crores, right? So with every increase in the place value, we have the increase of 10, right? Multiply with 10. If you have this number, if you have this 4 tens, how can you write 4 tens? Like this? Yes, 4 tens can be written as like this. The tens place value is there. Okay. If you have this 500s, how can you write 500s? Like this. 4,000. So 4,000 can be written like this, 4,000. Why are you writing 3 zeros here? Because all these places become 0. When you are talking of this number, then the rest of the places towards the right side are all 0. Okay. When you are talking of this hundreds place number, then your right side numbers are all zeros. Okay. And so you get 500. When you are talking of this 4, your right hand number, right hand place becomes 0. Okay. And since 3 is in the ones place, so 3 multiplied by just 1. Okay. For 40, you got 4 multiplied by 10. 500, you got 5 multiplied by 100. 4,000, you got 4 multiplied by 1,000. Because 4 is at a thousands place. Similarly, 3 is at the 10,000s place. Okay, so you will multiply 10,000 with it. 3 into 10,000 will give you 30,000.
This is
Okay.
expanded form.
Yes.
This is expanded form.
Yes, it is becoming expanded form. Okay. So I'm teaching you from the very basic thing. Okay. Those who don't know. And then you have the lakh place after 10,000. Then you have 10,000. And so on it goes. Okay. Now suppose if you just take the number, just assume this is your number, right? 65 crores, 32 lakhs, 75,829. So 9 is at a ones place, you will write 9. Then 2 is at a tens place, you will write it under the tens place column. 8 under the hundreds column. Then correspondingly 7 here and 10,000 here, 2 lakhs here, 30 lakhs here. Okay, 5 crores, 65 crores. Are you understanding? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is how you write the place value chart. Okay, and if suppose you are asked to show the expanded form of this, then you will write 65 crores, you will write 6, and the rest all will be zeros. 5, rest all will be zeros. Okay, 3, rest all will be zeros. Okay, understood? So okay, now suppose if I give you some number, please write down in this column. Please make this column in your notebook, and I'll give you a number. Make this column in your notebook.
Seventh question, ma'am, I got the answer 30,591.
That's correct, beta. That's correct.
I heard 20,000, ma'am, so I got confused.
No, that's 30,000 only.
Okay.
Okay. Please make this column in your notebook. And I'll give you some numbers. Write down for 64,935. Under this column, you have to place the numbers. Okay. Under the correct place value. Are you understanding?
Do we have to make a table?
Yes, please do. Write down for these 3 numbers for Indian system of numeration. And see, when you are writing periods is where you are placing the commas. So for Indian system of numeration, the first comma you write after the first 3 digits, okay? After the hundreds place. Then after every two places, you put commas.
Ma'am, do we have to label them?
Label them means write the number.
Yes, ma'am, once
Okay,
then.
okay, yes. Yes, first write down in the column and then you write the number. Okay, write the number name. Don't be doubtful in this, okay? Because these type of question will just come for your 1 marks in your objective test. Okay, Trilokya?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't be doubtful here. Just keep this table in your mind. If you don't have, then write it in your notebook and refer to it. Trilokya, how will you read the first number?
Ma'am, 64,935.
Yes. See, you can write the place values here also. Okay. Suppose if you are doubtful, every time you cannot make the table like this. So you can just write down ones, tens, hundred, this is 1,000, this is 10,000.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, so 64,935. Okay, Adya, tell me this one. Second one.
Okay, ma'am. 85 lakhs 46,283.
Okay, good. Neha, tell me third one. Neha. Hello, Neha. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, it's 2,53,861.
Yes. Okay. Good. So everyone knows now how to do this. Okay, you can even write the place values here. No need to make the table every time. Table is just, to make you understand. So you can just write down here if you don't know. If you still have any doubts, you can just write down here and quickly just make out. Right? And in Indian system, we put the first comma after 3 places from the right side. Okay, then after 2, then further like this after 2 places. But the things are different in international system. In international system, after every 3 digits, we put commas, right? So for today, what will you do? Please revise these place values for Indian system of numeration, okay? And try to do the exercise here. The statement sums are here, no? So try to do some of the sums. Where is the exercise gone? Yes. So here we have done the 7th question. So please do the remaining, we have done first 3 questions and the 7th. So please do question number 4, 5, 6, okay, with statements. Question number 4, 5, 6, okay, and revise Indian system of numeration. Okay, this is your homework for today. Tomorrow we'll revise international system and we'll do the rest of the sums of this. Okay. Then we have the round off concept also, that also we'll do. Okay. This much for today. And please revise your practical geometry also so that whatever doubts you have, you can ask me tomorrow. Okay, beta. Thank you all. Thanks for joining. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, Vijay. You